Happy day, dear students. This is chapter number 7, factorization. What is a factor? A factor is a number which divides that number exactly without any reminder. Now, if you take 12 as an example, 12 is divisible by 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12 without reminder. So, these are factors of 12. Factorizing by common factor. If an algebraic expression is given 2x plus 4y, the common factor is 2 in both the terms. We can take 2 as a common factor. The remaining are x plus 2y. 3a plus 3ab plus 6a. We take the common factor as 3a. 3a is common in both the terms. So take it as a common factor. The remaining terms are b plus 2. 4a square minus 8a, that is 4a we can take it outside and you have a minus 2. 8a cube minus 12a squared, the common factor is 4a squared into 2a minus 3. If an algebraic expression has 3 terms, we are telling it as trinomial or a polynomial. Now, the common factor is 3x squared. The remaining terms are 3x squared plus 4x minus 5. We are going to factorize the two given polynomial or a binomial here. 9n minus 12n squared. By taking 3n as a common factor, here 3n is the common factor, here it has to be 3n. So, we get 3 minus 4n. 16a squared minus 24ab. We are taking the common factor as 8a, right? So the remaining terms are 2a, that means 8 into 2, 16, a into a squared, minus a into b, that is ab, 8 into 3, 24. Now we are going to find the middle term. If in an algebraic expression we are going to calculate the middle term so that we can find the factors for a given algebraic expression. If our numbers are 1 and 12, the sum has to be 13. 1 plus 12, that is 13. The product has to be 1 into 12, 12. 2 and 6 are the numbers, means their sum should be 8 and the product should be 12. 4 and 3 are the numbers, means their sum is 7 and the product is 12. This we are going to apply in an algebraic expression to factorize the given algebraic expression. Here in this algebraic expression, we are going to factorize this one. Now, arrange in the descending order. Start with z square plus 6z plus 9. If you multiply, you get 9, and if you add, you get 6. This is called sum and this is called product over here. Now, find it out. Z square plus 3 square becomes 9. What are the two numbers? If you multiply, you get 9. And what are the two numbers? If you add, you get 6. Now, you have 3 3s are 9. So, if you add 3 plus 3, it is 6. So, the factors are z plus 3 into z plus 3, that is z plus 3 the whole square. If an algebraic expression has term x squared plus 6ax plus 9a squared, it is already in the descending order, x squared term, x term and a constant term, right? So here this is a constant. Now multiply this. If you multiply, you need to get 9, and if you add, you have to get 6 along with a term here, So the same expression as we have seen over here, z plus 3 whole square, similar way x plus 3 whole square only, but along with a term, that is x plus 3a the whole square. If an algebraic expression has y squared minus xy into 1 plus x minus x cube, that means you are multiplying inside each number, you are going to multiply inside. Y squared minus xy minus into minus plus, xy into x is x squared y minus x cube. Now we are going to find out the factors. Now take the common term here, common factor here. Y is the common factor in both the terms. Now y, so the remaining is y minus x plus x squared. So we get x squared as a common term and y minus x inside the round brackets. Now we have y minus x into y plus x squared. What are the two factors over here? Y minus x and y plus x squared. That means y equal to x, y equal to minus x squared. These are the two factors of y. Here we are going to simplify the given algebraic expression ax plus by the whole squared. It is of the form a plus b the whole squared. Apply the formula and bx minus ay the whole squared. That is a minus b the whole squared. A squared plus b squared minus 2ab. Apply the formula over here and we get a squared x squared plus 2ax by plus b squared y squared plus b squared x squared minus 2ax by plus a squared y squared. Now this plus 2x ax by and minus 2x by gets cancelled and we get a squared x squared b squared x squared. In this x squared is common term. We can take it outside. We get a squared plus b squared and y squared is common term. We get a squared plus b squared. And what are the two factors over here? A squared plus b squared into x squared plus y squared.